If you are a business with multiple sales tax account locations, you're eligible to participate in the Consolidated Sales Tax Filing Upload Program. This program allows businesses with 2 or more retail locations to file multiple sales tax returns using one Excel file each period. The ST3 and ST389 are the only forms eligible to be submitted using this program. To get started, you'll need to submit an ST603 application and be approved by the SCDOR. Visit dor.sc.gov/consolidated sales and fill out the Consolidated Sales Tax Return application found in the Getting Started section. Once you're finished, email the completed application to Consolidated Sales Tax at dor.sc.gov. After we've processed your application, we'll send you a confirmation email with approval to begin using the Consolidated Sales Tax Return option. Now, back to MyDORWAY. After logging into MyDORWAY, click the More tab at the top. Click the File a Consolidated Sales Tax Return link in the Payments and Returns panel. If the link is not displayed, please contact us at 803-898-5970 or email us at consolidatedsalestax@dor.sc.gov. From the Consolidated Sales Tax Upload screen, choose the filing period that you would like to file multiple returns for. Click Next to continue. This page contains a link to download the pre-formatted Excel template. All Consolidated Sales Tax Return files must be completed using Microsoft Excel 2007 or later, or a similar program that allows you to open, edit, and save .xlsx files. Before you begin, we recommend that you download and save the Consolidated Sales Tax Return Program Guide by using the link on the page. The program guide will contain helpful information like steps to file the return, error codes, exemption codes, and more. After reviewing the guide, click the Download Return button to download and save the Excel template. Save the file to an easily accessible location on your computer and rename the file. The file name must include your business name along with the filing period. In this example, we'll name our file MyDORWAY Sample Corp July 2020X, where X is the current year. After saving your file to your computer, click Next. Now open the return template you just saved on your computer. You'll need to fill out and save this return template before uploading it to MyDORWAY. To get started, click the Sales and Use tab at the bottom. Column A will display the license numbers for each of your locations. Fill out the gross proceeds in column B for each location. Enter any out-of-state purchases subject to tax in column C and any state deductions in column D. Enter your net taxable sales and purchases in column E. Once you've completed the Sales and Use tab, click the Local Taxes tab at the bottom. The Local Taxes tab will display the file number, county, and municipality code for each of your locations in columns A, B, and C. Fill out the local tax amounts for columns D through J, just like you would on the ST389 form. Be sure to check out the ST500 document on our website to find out which local taxes apply to each county. Once you're finished, click the State Deductions tab. If you had state deductions, enter the license number for each sales tax account that took a deduction in column A. In column B, enter the 4-digit deduction code for the deduction you're taking. You can find deduction codes at the bottom of page 6 of the Consolidated Sales Tax Program Guide. Next, list the deduction amount in column C. Once you're finished, click the Local Deductions tab. Complete the Local Deductions table by using the same information you entered in the State Deductions tab. Once you're finished, review your document to ensure everything is complete and click Save to save your Consolidated Sales Tax Return Excel document. Now, let's return to MyDORWAY. Click the Upload Return button to upload your Excel document. Click Choose File and locate the document on your computer. Once the file is chosen, click OK. MyDORWAY will scan your return for errors. If you receive an error message, MyDORWAY will let you know the type of error MyDORWAY has identified, along with the tab, row, and column the error occurred in. Error codes and solutions can be found on page 7 of the guide. Open the Excel document on your computer and correct any errors, and then save and re-upload your document using the Upload button. Once your document has successfully uploaded, you'll see an upload summary showing the total number of returns included as well as the total sales and local tax due. Click Next to continue. A digital version of your spreadsheet will be displayed on this screen, including any discounts you will receive for each sales tax location. Review the table, and if everything is correct, click Next to continue. Review the summary page to ensure all information is correct and click Next. Click Submit to submit your consolidated sales tax return. Enter your password, which serves as your electronic signature, or choose another verification method to authenticate this submission. The confirmation screen has your confirmation number. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records so that you can track this transaction in the future. Click Pay to submit a payment. Paying from this screen will make a payment to all locations at once. If you choose to not pay from this screen, you'll have to manually add a payment at each location separately. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/mydoorway. Thank you for watching.